Attention realtors. Want to sell your listings faster? Let's face it, first impressions matter. Potential buyers are scanning homes, and you want to ensure they see the best. Enter TidyTex Home Cleaning, your go-to cleaning service run by a proud retired Army veteran right here in San Antonio. Our professional team specializes in preparing homes for sale, ensuring they shine just in time for open houses or buyer viewings. With our quick turnaround times and meticulous attention to detail, your properties will stand out and attract serious offers that can lead to quicker sales. Here's a tidy tip. Before each showing, open all the blinds and turn on the lights. This simple, cost-effective trick creates a bright, welcoming atmosphere, allowing buyers to visualize their future in the home. Remember, a well-lit space highlights your listing's best features and makes them feel more inviting. TidyTex is here to help you showcase your properties at their finest, making your job easier and more effective. Don't wait. Check the video description for our contact information, including our website and phone number. Let's elevate your real estate game together. Reach out today and watch your listings shine.